Hi, this is Laura Shai with Myerhoff and Associates. I'm here to show you a really beautiful, fully remodeled one-bedroom apartment. This is located about 2 blocks from Lake Merritt in downtown Oakland, close to all the BART stations. Lake Merritt, 12th Street and 19th Street BART. So it's got original hardwood floors throughout. This nice open concept plan between the updated kitchen and living room. You've got a stainless steel fridge, microwave, gas stove, dishwasher, and stone countertops. New double paned windows and blinds throughout. There's steam heat in the wintertime. Ceiling fans for summertime. Through here is just a large coat closet, storage. There's updated electrical in the whole apartment, good for modern computers. Here's the bedroom. Again, it's got a ceiling fan and the hardwood floors. Another pretty large closet here. And plenty of room for a queen bed. And here's the bathroom. It's got nice tile floors, updated vanity, and a brand new tiled shower. There's a cute grocery store just across the street that has almost everything you could need. We're about a block from the Oakland Main Library, and like I said, 2 blocks from Lake Merritt. This one's on the 3rd floor, which is the top floor of a about 20-unit apartment building. Hope this place is your new home.